So, good afternoon, good evening to some of you. And we are back again with another transfer update from one of the most fraudulent football clubs on the planet. And we have got more fraudulent behaviour today. Excuse me. Before we get into talking about Edu Gaspar and his fraudulence, make sure you do stick a like on the video. That would be fantastic. Smash the likes up. Let's get 1,000 likes on this video, people. If you haven't checked out the two from yesterday, go all the way back, check them two videos out. And one was about Morata. The other was about Alex Lacazette leaving. It is super windy, so apologies if you can hear the wind. And big up to everybody who has been sticking the donations in via the thanks option. Really do appreciate that. It is also my birthday eve, and I'm 40 tomorrow. Mad. But yes, I'm gonna finish recording this video, and then I'm gonna go and relax because I feel it today. I had way too many to drink yesterday, so yeah, I'm feeling it a little bit today. But we are going to talk about Edu to start off with before we talk about Gianluca Scamacca. And Edu, this guy needs sacking along with Arteta, by the way, because I'm just baffled as to what he does. I'm genuinely baffed. What does this guy actually do for Arsenal apart from sit there talking utter crap, yeah, and absolute rubbish? What does he actually do? What is his job? He's supposed to be the technical director. What does that even mean? What are you doing? So, the latest. This is unbelievable. Sao Paulo director Carlos Belmonte has claimed that Arsenal technical director Edu has offered a fee for Marquinhos, even though the Brazilian chief could have got the player for free. So, we could have got this Marquinhos guy for absolutely nada, zero, zip, nothing. Instead, we've decided, or Edu's decided, no way, mate. Just take it all, mate. Just take it all. We'll give you 3.5 mil. If you're handing money out, mate, send it my way. I'll give you my bank details, Edu, yeah? Unbelievable. So, this guy, Carlos Belmonte, was speaking to Gazeta Esportiva. I don't know who they are. I'd imagine it's a Brazilian outlet. We have a spectacular relationship with Edu Gaspar. Well, I'm not surprised. He's just deposited 3.5 million quid in your bank, mate. I'm quite sure I'd have a really spectacular relationship with him as well. This is mad. Yeah, so he said, we have a spectacular relationship with Edu Gaspar, who told us that he knew that Marquinhos could leave for free, but we're still going to look for funds to pay for Sao Paulo, because he wants to have a relationship with Sao Paulo similar to the one that Ajax have with us. He wants to be closer to eventually being able to bring younger players from Sao Paulo to Arsenal. We are now even studying the possibility of exchanging our base with their base. What does that mean? But, this guy has transferred 3.5 million quid from Arsenal's bank to Sao Paulo's bank for a player that is free. And people are sitting there genuinely believing that this guy ain't on the take. Oh my days. He is the most dodgy technical director I think I've ever stumbled across. Yeah, dodgy in terms of he only signs Brazilians. Why? There's got to be something in it for him. There has to be. There has to be. He's only signing Brazilian players. Or players that have played in the Brazilian league, like Pablo Mari. This guy is the most fraudulent technical director in world football. Don't want to hear it. Ain't interested. This guy is an absolute disgrace. He should be sacked, and he should be sacked today. Yeah, I am sick of this guy. Take Arteta with you. Anyway, let's move on to some more positive news. Let me know what you think on this, by the way, actually. Let me know what you think about Edu. Leave that in the comment section down below and let me know your thoughts on Edu and why he's paid the 3.5 mil. So basically, it's like a bribe. That's basically what it is. We're going to bribe you to have a fantastic, spectacular relationship. Shut up, mate. Yeah, real talk. That's like going and taking a nice 10 out of 10 out for dinner, but you know you're never, ever going to get it unless you just keep throwing money at it. Literally, you're never getting any unless you throw money at it, mate. Yeah. It's kind of the same, isn't it? You know you're not going to get the best young talent out of Sao Paulo unless you throw money at it now. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Anyway, let's talk about Gianluca Scamacca. Good old Italian name, that, isn't it? Part of Project Youth, if he comes. Just turned 23 in January. He is absolutely huge, this guy as well. 6'5", very, very quick, very, very strong. He is like a bulldozer and very good technically. This guy is a very good footballer, by the way. And I spent the last hour watching compilations of him. I am now a fully qualified Scamacca fanboy. I know absolutely everything about the player now. Yeah, I am now an expert. Anyone who's watching this video will think, wow, he must watch Italian league. This is what these people do, by the way. They watch a compilation and go, he's a good player, he's shit, he's rubbish, he's good. No. I watched about 20 compilations of the guy and then made my mind up. And from what I've seen, and it is only from what I've seen, this guy is actually a bulldozer, man. He looks really, really strong, and he can hold the ball up, Giroud-esque. Very, very strong, back to goal. And the power on this guy's shots, by the way, is obscene. Literally, this guy can slap a football. But yeah, by all accounts, he looks very good, which is exactly why he won't be coming to Arsenal. He ain't coming to Arsenal. Why would he? So apparently we've had a bid, according to Gazzetta dello Sport, that we have had our first bid of £34 million rejected. Okay. However, that report claims that the Gunners will return with a second offer for the Italian. I'll fucking turn it in. The absolute dross that I read is hilarious. Yeah. How do you know? How does this Italian newspaper know that Arsenal are coming back in with another bid? How do they even know that we've bid? Like, real talk. How do they know? How do they know? They don't, do they? So they're guessing. Or they've been fed the information by the football club he plays for. Yeah. Just to drum up the price a little bit more and get some more business on board. Oh, let's get 3 or 4 clubs fighting for him. A player bidding war. Unbelievable. You'll have fucking Watson Bench going, oh my God, Scamacca twist. That's a good title, isn't it? Some Scamacca twist. Oh my God, what was the twist? Oh my God, what was the... Oh shit, I've got to have a look at this twist. Yeah, some of the crap these journalists come out with, some of the titles and headlines of their stuff is absolutely embarrassing. Yeah, absolutely embarrassing. But he is a very good player by the looks of it. And he bagged 16 goals last season, which is fairly decent considering his age. It's mad. Yeah, look at this. I'm on Football London right now, the most fraudulent newspaper out there. Who is Gianluca Scamacca? The Italian Zlatan Ibrahimovic linked with £43 million Arsenal transfer. Oh, maybe somebody should tell Arsenal it was 43 million, not 34 million. They got the numbers back to front. Maybe somebody call Edu. Oh, you can't, can you? You can't. It's probably on a flight as we speak to Sao Paulo. The Italian Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Let me see which clown has written that story. The headline and the story, well, it says the story was written by Aaron Catterson-Reed. What an absolute muppet you are, mate. The Italian Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Do me a favour. Unbelievable. Actually unbelievable. I'm looking at some of this crap and it is just mad. Arsenal are ready to invest £35 million, of course they are, to bring the 23-year-old to the Emirates this summer, although it's claimed it would take a £50 million offer to prize him away from the Nerazzurri. Okay, so why don't you just pay the money then if you want him? Age 23, he's talented and was born in Rome in Italy. He's 6'5" and plays for Serie A side Sassuolo. We know. Why do Arsenal want him? I don't know. Why do they want him? Why don't you tell Aaron? You tell us, my friend, because none of us know why we need a striker. So why would we want him? Let's see what Aaron Catterson-Reed has to say. Arsenal allowed Aubameyang to join the Catalan giants Barca. They all make it sound so great, didn't they, these little ponces? Yeah, back in January. And the club also announced on Friday that Lacazette would be leaving on a free when his contract expires next month. That leaves a huge void in Arteta's squad that a player like Scamacca could help fill. Oh, my days. So basically, we let 2 strikers go, so we need a striker then, Aaron. Is that what you're saying? These little muppets that work for fucking Football London, you're all a bunch of scumbags. Every single one of you is a poncy, pompous little prick. Every single one of them. They are all, just by the way they write, yeah? I just don't like them. Yeah? Boycott that newspaper, man. They are full of shit. Anyway, on that bombshell, this player is good. He ain't signing for Arsenal. We probably ain't even bid for him. All have a wonderful day. I'm going to the beach on a pool. Laters.